In this section of videos, we turn our attention to wireless. Keep in mind that wireless deployments have broadly changed over the years. However, today wireless is the primary form of access. Someone went out and counted, and there are 17 billion devices connected wirelessly to our networks right now. Our access points are often installed in the ceiling for at least 5 years, oftentimes more. And over those same 5 years, it's expected there will be a nearly 60% increase in the number of devices connected to our networks. More than just laptops and phones, we will see more device types, like wearables and IoT. Over the next 12 to 18 months, the industry is expecting exciting new announcements in the areas of augmented reality and virtual reality. Already, production houses and universities are building networks to sustain 4K and 8K video streams. This explosion of devices is not just limited to larger networks, but also to the small to medium businesses. In many cases, the small and medium businesses, or SMBs, are faster to adopt newer technologies. So, what are the challenges when building the wireless networks? The challenges are the same regardless of whether the network is for a large campus or for a small business with less than 200 employees. The explosion of wireless devices in the network presents a host of challenges. Already, Wi-Fi is a primary network access mechanism. Remember our access points? During the 5 years they will be installed in ceilings, it is expected that 63% of traffic on all of our networks will originate from a mobile device. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a hot topic right now. Devices from Nest thermostats to Zigbee or Z-Wave controlled sensors are already in the marketplace, and the number of IoT devices is expected to more than double in the next 5 years. The addition of IoT devices significantly increases our threat profile. One study shows that it takes as much as 3 months to detect a breach. This same study suggests that 80% of security breaches occur within the perimeter of our network. Today, the main requirements for modern networks go beyond providing reliable connectivity and include onboarding new devices securely and providing insights into what is going on in the network. Cisco Wireless is built to address these challenges and the digital world of the future. Cisco Wireless innovations can help you flourish in the wireless-first environment, ensuring delivery of a consistent wireless experience at scale. We keep the bad actors out with built-in layers to secure and protect. We have designed our systems to adapt and constantly optimize the user experience and reduce the burden associated with troubleshooting. First, let's talk about flourishing in a wireless-first environment. It has become very typical for someone to work throughout the day on wireless, even when they are at a desk where a wired port is available. Thus, as the use of wireless devices increases, demands on your network will increase. We need to provide a consistent wireless experience as it scales. We do this by going beyond the wireless standards. We automatically adjust for your wireless environments, especially for high-density environments with automatic persistent RF tuning and our flexible radio assignment technology. This technology automatically converts the second radio to 5 GHz, thereby adding additional capacity for networks of any size. We ensure that all the relevant features are turned on by default, so you do not have to configure them. All our products ship with best practices turned on by default. This is the result of Cisco's networking experience dealing with all types of customers from every corner of the globe for over 2 decades. And we provide for next-generation location and customer engagement with our engagements and insights. Cisco APs have the wireless features needed to make sure that the network and its data are safe. The devices that connect your clients to the network need to be ironclad and secure. With Cisco Wireless, You can do end-to-end segmentation for enterprise and guest users, get simple group policies, and scale the system easily. If someone steals an AP from your network, the information contained on that device is encrypted so that it cannot be seen. Few companies have the robust security and trustworthy systems that Cisco provides. How do you enable and protect the IoT devices? One way to provide secure connectivity to IoT devices and reduce SSIDs is with Identity PSK. Provide devices that connect to your APs with a policy-defined PSK key. If these devices fail or are compromised, simply remove them without changing the PSK key on all devices. Umbrella integration on the APs further provides protection from malicious and phishing sites. Any issue in the network, whether it is a wired, routing, or application issue, always is blamed on wireless. Hence, the user experience becomes very important for any wireless network today. For this, you must understand what all applications are running in the network and be able to take control and perform the right action. Application visibility and control on Cisco Wireless allows you to do this easily. For example, you can block or rate limit an application which is hogging the bandwidth. Apple devices, including MacBooks, iPads, or iPhones, are very popular today. Thus, optimizing the experience for these devices is very critical. Through the Apple-Cisco partnership, all businesses can take advantage of the technology we have built into our APs. This technology provides seamless roaming and priority for business-critical applications running on Apple devices. We have multiple options to manage your networks throughout your system's lifecycle, starting the moment you deploy and when you want to make changes on day N. We have a free mobile app which you can use to monitor and view how the network is performing, or you can use the OnBox Web UI or Cisco Prime DNA Center to make changes. Whether you are a small business or large enterprise, we have you covered. While these features provide great benefits, small to medium-sized businesses require even more. Small to medium-sized businesses must be able to deploy networks that are easy to install and manage with minimal expertise. These wireless networks must provide a high level of performance within the limited budget requirements of the SMB market sector. So let's take a closer look at the specific products which meet these requirements. It all starts with the Cisco Mobility Express solution. This product line provides customers with an easy-to-use and install solution that provides quick deployment under 10 minutes. All of the best practices are enabled so that the customer/partner need not worry about fine-tuning the network. And what's more, Mobility Express also provides a feature-rich on-premises enterprise quality solution to create predictive site surveys and proposals, deploy a wireless network, troubleshoot client issues, and even demonstrate the value of analytics, all while serving networks up to 100 APs and 2,000 clients. With no additional licensing and controller hardware cost, Mobility Express becomes the perfect fit for the small to medium market sector that may not have the resources or wireless expertise on staff. It's not just Cisco that believes its products are great. We have sold over 3,802.11 AC Wave 2 APs. We are the #1 enterprise Wi-Fi leader for networks of all sizes. With Cisco Mobility Express, you can deploy a solution which is simple, secure, and affordable for everyone. In the following lessons, we will delve deeper and grow your understanding of Cisco's wireless solutions, including Cisco Mobility Express and Cisco Access Points.